Check this out. If you enjoy personalizing or customizing your own devices, especially your smart wearables like the Apple Watch for example, swapping the bands is definitely a cool way to do that. Even simply mix matching the sport bands is awesome. But the thing about this, anybody could easily recreate this, and so it doesn't really become that unique. But what if I tell you, making your own personal Apple Watch band is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Thanks to a company called SkinIt, I was able to create my very own personal design Apple Watch band, and as you guys can see, it continues to the Apple Watch watch face. This looks really cool, and I'm proud to also mention they are also our sponsor for today's video. SkinIt is a site that not only allows us to create our own custom Apple Watch bands, but they also make skins for your consoles, drones, and phone cases, which I have here, and I'll go more about this case in a little bit. So I created this Apple Watch band by using a little bit of Photoshop to make sure everything lines up properly with the watch face. But even if you're not too familiar how to use photo editing programs, SkinIt website provides you with all the necessary tools that's really user friendly for anybody who could easily create their own personal design. When creating your Apple Watch band, you have the choice between the 2 available size options for the series Apple Watches. And then from here you have the 4 choice options to upload a photo either off your social media accounts, a direct link, or simply upload an image directly off your computer. And once you upload an image, you can rearrange it and view it all live. And once you're satisfied with the placement, you can then go to the next tab. From here, you have choice to add text, doodles, even emojis. And once you're satisfied with your design, you can simply check out and expect it to arrive within a week, which is actually surprisingly quick. So what originally inspired my design is I got the key inspiration off a Lamborghini Huracan Performance. If you ever get the chance to see one of those in person, if you look at the exhaust, even some of the interior, the carbon fiber has this marble-like texture. This is called forged carbon fiber. And I was on a quest on finding the same pattern on my band for my Apple Watch, and no other seller was selling it. They only had the original, traditional carbon fiber pattern. But thanks to SkinIt, I was able to actually create the same pattern and have it finally on my Apple Watch. And the little strap that you see here also got the inspiration off the seats off the Lamborghini Huracan. And boy did it came out looking incredible. I swear, it also matches my apparel. That's like an added bonus right there. So putting this on your Apple Watch is exactly like any ordinary Apple Watch band. You simply just slide it in place and there's no fitting issues whatsoever. And the materials they use to create this band is indeed vegan friendly, which means no cows were harmed in making this Apple Watch band. In fact, I was doing a bit of research on what this thing really is. Turns out it's made out of something called faux leather, or FAUX, which is really good to know because it's very durable and will last a long time, since it could easily withstand scratches and it is not prone to crack or peel like leather normally does. It's also more resistant to fade in direct sunlight, so UV rays won't cause the design to slowly fade away as what you expect from leather, which normally does. So the band itself, it's extremely flexible. No matter what size wrist you have, this band should be able to flex and adapt to your wrist size comfortably. There's no sharp edges or anything that I've seen, and underneath the band, I really do like this material they're using. It's almost like a sway-like texture, so it's really soft to touch. The latch that the watch band used to hold the watch together is nice and solid. There isn't any loose ends or anything. Even the stitching, if we take a closer look at the watch band, there's no loose ends or anything that over time will cause this band to fall apart. And they already went ahead and survived well during 1 week of some of my intense workouts, showing little to no scratches from rubbing against barbells, dumbbells, and all that stuff. So overall, this watch band, I'm really impressed. I mean, the print is perfect. If we take a closer look, I have yet seen any imperfections of a smear or overspray or if anything, so the materials they use is definitely high quality. And the same continues with their other products that they sell. Like this case for instance that they also provided for us. This is their Pro series, which is a really good shock absorbing case. It has 2 layers of protection, the hard outer shell, and it has the soft silicone. Assembling the case is as easy as just simply slide it on the silicone case and just put on the hard case. And there's plenty of protection that goes around the screen, as the gap is nice and spacious, so if you do place this on a flat surface, it's nice and spacious that it won't make any contact to the screen. And taking a closer look at the button layouts, the buttons are fully exposed, fully responsive, you have easy access to the vibrating switch, and there's zero clearance issue when charging your phone. and taking a look at the Bose microphone and speaker grill are big enough that it shouldn't cause any issues. But if you go online and look at their website, you're going to see a bunch of other different style cases. They also have a waterproof one, a folio case, and if you like to keep it simple, they also have a regular like hard shell case. So they have a lot of different cases to really choose from. And yes, you could also customize these with your own brand or logo of choice. And also, if you look at their categories of designs they already have pre-made, you'll also notice that they also have licenses by Marvel, Disney, NFL, etc. They unfortunately don't have these on their Apple Watch bands, but they do have some pre-made ones. So there we have it, folks. If you want an easy way to customize your very own Apple Watch band or even cases, definitely go ahead and check out SkinIt. I'll make sure to link their link in the video description down below. And also I will provide you guys with a discount code in the video description. So if you guys are interested in picking something up, make sure you use that code and save you guys some money. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year's and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.